what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now you found this video because you're probably searching for the best PandaBuy discount codes in 2024, and I've managed to do just that. I've found some PandaBuy promo codes that are going to save you so much money. Yeah, you'll be silly not to use these. There's a couple of codes that you can choose between, guys. There's a $100 off your next PandaBuy promo code, and there is also a free shipping code. So depending which one's going to be more expensive, if you have a heavy parcel, the shipping could be more than $100, so you can use that one. But yeah, just choose which code you want. So let me show you in this video how to get your PandaBuy discount codes. So I'm going to record my mobile. Pick up your mobile phone, guys, because you have to use that, and open up an internet browser and go to this website, www.hotshotcodes.com. So Hot Shot Codes, and it's the #1 coupon site. So you have to go to this website, and when you reach the page, just scroll down the page. You can see on the home page there's loads of different pages, so just keep scrolling down until you find this PandaBuy page, and it's easily recognizable by the panda. So click on it to open the page, and let's see what coupons are available. So you can see it's been rated pretty highly. Scroll down, and here we go. So there's a couple of codes that I mentioned. There's a $100 off your next order at PandaBuy coupon code, and there is also a free shipping. So you have to basically choose which one you want. In this video, I'm going to be selecting the $100 off code. So click on show coupon code, and this is going to pop up here, $100 off PandaBuy coupon code. And you can see, guys, we need to unlock the code. Pretty normal. Basically, these codes are valuable, so this protects the codes and ensures that everyone can only get one, basically, because as you can imagine, people create bots to take all of the available $100 codes. So long story short, we have to unlock the code. Tap on the orange button, unlock now, and you're going to see this screen here, which is completely normal. This is a verification step. Essentially, just follow the instructions on this screen. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes, but it's well worth it considering you're getting a $100 PandaBuy promo code. So we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and we need to follow the instructions below each one. So on my screen here, you can see I have a list of tasks. These range from downloading and playing free games to answering some quick questions and entering in some information. So you have to select any 2 tasks, fully complete them, and it will unlock our code. So I'm going to go ahead and complete 2 of these tasks, and then I'll return. So I'll see you in probably 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so that took me around 5 to 10 minutes. I just went ahead and I downloaded a couple of these games. So I did this one at the top where I had to download it and then play it until I completed level 8. Then I went and did this Family Island one where similar sort of thing. I downloaded the game and then played it until level 10, and then level 8. So yeah, pretty easy. It took me around 10 minutes, but yes, I think it's worth it considering the money you're going to be saving. You may see some slightly different tasks because it does depend on your country, but they're always going to be free and pretty easy. So if you fully completed 2 of these, you can now go to your tabs, and you should see your code when you return back to this Hotshot Codes, and there you go. I've now got my PandaBuy promo code, so I can apply this in the checkout or sort of like the payment process on the PandaBuy website, and it's going to remove $100 off my order. Alternatively, you can also go ahead and get a free shipping code if you wish. So yeah, go to hotshotcodes.com and get your PandaBuy discount code. I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button if I helped save you money. So everyone watching this, let's see how many people saved money as a result of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy your PandaBuy discounts. Peace.